Clarissa Shafaa. So in this video I want to show you one of my favorite restaurant in Semarang. I like going to the restaurant because it's a comfortable place, the staff so very friendly, and the food is so very delicious. Usually I go there with 5 of my friends to do my homework after coming home from campus. The restaurant has a very suitable ambience for relaxing and discussing because it's very calm. Are you curious? Let's go! Okay, we have arrived at the place, namely is Big Day.
You can see that although the place is not on the beach, but here it's made like the feel of the beach. There is picture, place to sit to relax, and also a view of the beach, of course.
Let's go in and order the food. So guys, I just ordered beach day fried rice for 40,000 and also I ordered chocolate milkshake for 30,000. In terms of price, it's not too expensive and not cheap either, so it's standard for cafe prices like the others. Wow, it looks so delicious. Let's try. Okay, from the form of presentation you can see that here there is fried rice served with a mixture of pineapple, which makes it taste delicious and fresh. Then there are crackers that make the texture crunchy and savory. There is also fresh as a side dish, and it tastes good. And there are eggs in this size here too. They taste like eggs in general, guys. And lastly, there are additional vegetables such carrots and cucumbers and chili as pickles. Okay, next drinking. Here there is a chocolate milkshake, which is generally sweet and topped with white whipped cream and chocolate milk on top. Okay, finally finished with try food and drink. In my opinion, the rate for food and drink is 9 because delicious, and then the place is 10 because it's so cozy and decoration so very attractive. Okay guys, from what I described earlier, I highly recommend it to you if you want to relax, work in groups and date, because of what? The place is very Instagrammable and the food is very delicious. It's really to support you to do all the things. Don't forget to bring your relative here, okay? Thank you guys for watching my vlog. Guess which restaurant we will try next? Just follow my next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you!